Hi and welcome to Data Coder. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to display selected observations or selected rows in a list report. We are going to see how to use where statement in proc print to display selected observations and rows. We will also discuss about different operators used in where statement. In my previous video, I have discussed how to apply different options in print procedure to customize the print output. Please check that video so that it will be easy to understand. So let's get started. By using where statement in print procedure, we can subset the rows or we can subset the observations. This is the syntax of print procedure. Proc print data equal to dataset name, and then we need to write the where statement with where expressions and run. So the where statement, it's a combination of operand and operator, or it's a sequence of operator and operands. So the operands in where statement includes variables and constants. So here is the example of a where statement where name equal to David. So here the name is a variable operand and David is a constant operand, and this equal to is the operator. Let's check about some operators in where statement. So the first one is the comparison operator. So these are the list of comparison operator. Using those operators in where statement, we can subset the rows. So either we can use the symbol of that operator, or we can use the equivalent mnemonic of that operator. So let's go to SAS and check out. So I want to print a data set which is inside SAS help library. So this is the data set name class. So to print this data set, what I need to write, proc print data equal to SAS help dot class. So this is my default output. So now if I want to apply any comparison operator along with a where statement, then I can filter data according to the operator used. So the first one is the equal to operator. So let's check. So here from this data, if you see, I have a variable sex and it has the value either m or f. So I want to filter the data where sex equal to m. So to do that, what I need to write, where sex equal to m. So here sex is a variable, character variable. So whatever the value I am going to compare, that values we need to put inside a quotation mark, and it's case sensitive. So for character variable, quotation marks is required, and for numeric variable, quotation marks are not required. So if I'll execute this program, I'll get the output where I get the data where sex is male. So if I want to check for a numeric variable, then I don't need to put the quotation mark. Let's check. If I want to filter where age equal to 14, so I will just change this where age equal to 14. So here age is a numeric variable, so I don't need to put a quotation mark. So if I will execute this, I will get the data where age equal to 14. So this is the use of this equals operator. Next is the not equal to operator. So in this same equal to operator, if I will put the not equal to, then I will get the opposite condition, or I will get the reverse condition. So let's check. If I will put age not equal to 14, so apart from 14, all other things I will get in the output. So apart from 14, all other age I will get in the output. So this is the use of not equal to. Next is greater than or greater than equal to, less than or less than equal to. So let's check. Here in this output, I want to get the observations where age greater than 14. So if I put greater than 14, so all the output I will get where age is greater than 14. So I got the output 15, 16, which is greater than. Greater than equal to means it will include 14 and above 14. So if I'll execute this, I'll get the output where age is 14 and the values which are greater than 14. So 15 and 16. In the same way, we can check for less than, it will get the output where is less than, and if I want to check less than and equals to, then I need to put less than and equals to. So it will give me the output where age is 14 and less than 14. So this is the use of greater than equal to, less than equal to. Next is the in operator. Using in operator, we can select from a list of values. So here I want to filter the values where age is 13 and 14. Okay, so now this age is a numeric variable, so I don't need to put quotation mark along with the values what we are checking. So if I'll execute this program, then I will get only the values where age is 13 and 14. So same way, if I want to filter the names where name is Mary and Philip, so let's check that. So here name is a character variable, so I need to put the values inside quotation mark, and next one is the Philip. Okay, so this we can separate the values, either we can give a space or we can give a comma, both will work. So now if I'll execute, where name in Mary and Philip. So if I'll execute, I'll get the output where name is Mary and Philip. This is the use of in operator. Next is the arithmetic operator. So using arithmetic operator, we can do some arithmetic calculation. Let's check one example. So here I want to check if age plus 1 equal to 15. So if I'll check if age plus 1 equal to age plus 1 equals to 15. So now what it will do, it will take the age column, it will add 1 to that, and if the result is 15, it will give me. So here by applying that, I got the age where age is 14. So 14 plus 1, which is equal to 15. So I got the output. So in this way, we can use the other arithmetic operators according to our requirement. Next is logical operators. So logical operators, there are three logical operators: and, or not. So first we'll see and. So using and, we can we can filter data we satisfied multiple conditions. So here I want to check if age greater than 14 and sex equal to male. So here I am using the logical operator and, so it will give me output if both the condition will satisfy. If sex equal to male and age greater than 14, then I will get the output. So this is my output where sex equal to male and age greater than 14. So this is the AND operator. Next is OR operator. So OR operator, what it will do, it will give me output if any of the conditions satisfy, either age greater than 14 or sex equal to male. Any of these conditions will satisfy, then I will get the output. So let's run this program. I got the output where either age greater than 14 or sex equal to male. Next is the NOT operator. So this NOT operator we can apply to some other operator and I will get the output. So for example, if I want to apply this NOT operator to equals to operator, then how it will work. So if age equal to 14, I will get the data where age equal to 14. So what I can do here, age not equal to 14. So apart from 14, all other output I will get. Next we'll see one in operator. So if I want to see if age in 14, 15, 16. So here I got the data where age is 14, 15 and 16. But I want the reverse output, then what I can do, I can put not in 14, 15, 16. So apart from 14, 15, 16 I will get. So this not operator we can apply with some other operator to get the required output or to get the reverse logic. Next is special operator. So special operator we have first one is the between and. So using between and, we can select observation in which the values of a variable false within an inclusive range of values. So let's see. So here I want to filter the data where age is between 14 and 16. Okay, I want the data where age is between 14 and 16. So what I can write? I can write where age between 14 and 16. So including 14 and 16, all the values which come with the range of 14 and 16, I'll get the output. So I'll get the output 14, 15 and 16. This is the between and. Next is contents. So using this contents operator, we can filter data which have a particular string or particular set of character. So here where name contains Jan, Jan. So wherever in the name it will find this phrase or it will find this set of characters, it will give me the output, and it's case sensitive because it's a character variable. So now if I want to filter where name contains Jan, so wherever this phrase is there, I will get the output. So it's in Jan and Janet. In these two names, I have the phrase JAN. Next is like operator. So using this like operator, we can filter data which follows a certain which follow a certain pattern. So here we have two special characters. One is underscore, another is percentile. So the wherever we have an underscore, it can contain any one character, and wherever there is a percentile, it can contain any number of characters. So here where last name like J underscore n percentile, so wherever underscore there, it can fill by a single character, and wherever there is a percentile, it can be filled by n number of characters. So here between J and N, only one character will come, and after N, anything can come. So let's see. So if I'll execute this, I'll get this output. So it started with J, and between J and N there is a single character, and after N anything can come. So one more thing, if I want to filter all the data which started, the first letter is A, that also we can do. So to do that, what I will do, where name like, it should start with A, and after that anything can come. So if I'll run this, I got this Alfred and Alice. This both names started with A, and after that anything can come. So this is the use of this like operator. It will follow a pattern, and if the pattern match, it will give me the output. Next is sounds like. So sounds like will give me the output if the variable has if the values has different spelling, but it pronounce in a similar way. If it pronounce in a similar way, then it will give me the output. So let's see one example where name sounds like Zen. If I'll give this, I'll get this output, Zen and John. So the both have a different spelling, but it both pronounce in a similar way. So it will give me the output. So if it sounds like in a similar way, it will give me the output. Next is missing or is null. So it will select observation which have the values or variable is missing. So to explain this, I have a data set over here in my work library test. So here if you see, the name column and age column is there, and for the second observation the name is missing, and for the first observation the age is missing. So for name column, it's a character type of variable, and age is a numeric variable. So if I want to filter data, let me write another proc print data equal to test run. This is my default output. So I want to filter the data where a character variable is missing, that means where name is missing. So as name is a character variable and the missing values for character variables are represented by a blank, so what I need to write, where name equal to missing. So I will get the observation where name is missing. Same way, if I want to find the missing value for a numeric, then I need to give dot, because missing values in a numeric variable are represented as dot. So I need to write dot. But irrespective of the types of variable, if I want to find the missing value, then I can give is null or is missing. So here I can give if where age is null, I will get the output. I can give where age is missing. Here also I will get the same output. Same thing I can apply for name as well. It will give me the output. So that's all about applying the where condition in a proc print to select display selected observations. So thank you for watching this video, and if you wish to watch more videos on basic and advanced SAS programming, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to make videos on any particular topic, then please comment. And thank you, and see you in the next topic.